I was going to make a nice video on detailing everything in here and naming everything, but I am not going to go through all that. I've spent too many hours already on this, and I cannot locate certain parts. So this is for the Bosch router table, and this is number 1, number 2, 3, 4, 5, 2 side legs for 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10A is the key that goes into here. 11, 2 boards for 12, 13. I think 14 is probably, yeah, 14 gets down there. It's 15, 6 of 16, 2 of 18, 2 feather boards of 19. This adjustment screw is number 20. This actual cover plate, whatever this is, 21. Phillips screw is 22. And then we have the fence, the routing, and the table. And for the fence, everything comes grouped together. The nuts are 23. These nuts here are 24. 25 for those. The washers are 26. 30 for the carriage bolts. 29 for these screws. 27 for these screws. 24, which is added onto there. There's 12 of those. 31. And then these are just the same as that. The routing, 23 for the, I think those are number 10s. 32 for the screws. 26 for the washers. 30 for the carriage bolts, 17 for the knobs, 33 for the carriage bolts, 14 for the knobs, and 34 for these longer carriage bolts. Up here to the table, this is where I'm having some difficulty. 25 for the nuts, 26 for the washers. There's only supposed to be 2 of these washers, so I don't know what's going on there. And I already forgot what the screws were supposed to be. 35, maybe that's what they are. Maybe I just figured this out. Doubt it though, because I don't think they're that quite long. Let's find out. 36 for the router table is only a 1/2 inch long, so that's definitely not it. Well, there's 4 of them, so it could either be number 37, or it would have to be number 37. It's only a 1/2 inch long though, so it can't be that. Don't know. Tired of messing with it though. 37, and I don't know if these are right as well. I'm pretty sure these 2 are right, but these and these, don't know. There's not a different pitch on those. I'm missing 3. I don't know if it comes inside the router and not the table itself, and then this piece doesn't have a number either, so, but we'll see how it goes together.